I'm the third sprint day of the ReThink Waste Challenge, and today we'll have a lot of workshops. Also later this week, we'll get the second round of the speed dates. And this will be the last opportunity for teams to get as much information and tips as possible from partners and experts before they hand in the second milestone report. And look who we have here today.
Hi, hello everyone. I'm Dingming from Team Live Twice, and we are here to find the solution for the biomass waste from the greenhouse.
Great! Will you take us through the sprint today?
Sure, of course. Let's go and have a look.
Let's go!
Wow, that was a very knowledgeable and insightful morning that we had. 2 hours of intensive learning. I'm really hungry. Now let's get some food.
So we are at the end of the sprint day. Dingming, what did you learn today?
Well, we learned quite a lot. First, we learned how to validate our ideas and our assumptions with an appropriate tool supported by a startup. And then we asked some questions to 2 very brilliant companies, one big corporate, one startup, which helps us to understand our own projects from their perspective as well. And also we learned quite a lot from the fellow teams, which actually helps each other to understand each other better and also to learn from each other.
Oh, awesome. So then are you ready for the second milestone?
Absolutely, we're fully prepared for it.
Nice, thank you so much for guiding us through the sprint day.
Thank you very much for organizing this awesome day for us.
So I hope students could get all this knowledge and put it in their reports so they can get to the finals. For more updates, stay tuned on our socials. And for now, good luck teams, and I'll see you soon!